Welcome to Korean Dream, and I am Jay.
And I'm Chris.
So today we will be introducing Chris's favorite expressions in Korean. So there we go. What's your first choice?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
That's probably the most basic thing. And I guess this is useful too because it's how you can say hi to basically anybody. It's polite. You can use it for any age or any relation to you.
That's true.
Sure.
You can make it short by just saying
안녕.
안녕. 안녕. So that will be informal to somebody around your age or younger, but also somebody you already know. But if you met this person for the first time and you don't know each other, we are all grown ups. We want to be respectful and polite, and that's the safer way to go. 안녕 하세요. 안녕 means at peace. You are at peace. You're good. You're well. So that's 안녕. And 하세요 is either asking, are you, or please. So 안녕하세요 literally means are you at peace? And you cannot use it as bye. It's only hello.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Now, what's your second choice?
Number 2, I guess I'm going with practical choices for these, but number 2 probably has to be 감사합니다.
Which is?
Thank you.
And that's also polite way to say thank you. 감사합니다. And it's hard to say 합니다, so it softens and you say
합니다. I
합니다.
think that was actually one of the hardest things when I first started to learn Korean because I was starting with the written form. Things would be spelled differently than they're pronounced. So that was one example of that.
Right. Do you want to learn how to say thank you in impolite way? Informal way?
Sure. Impolite thank you. Rude thank you.
Rude thank you will be 고마워.
고마워. 고마워.
고마워.
No, you don't. No need to bow with rude thank you.
Rude thank you. 고마워.
고마워.
Or you can say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just make it a Korean accent.
Yes. Number 3.
Number 3. This would be for, I guess, if you're in a relationship or with family members. 사랑해.
사랑해.
Wait, how do you, like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. There. 사랑해.
사랑해.
Or 사랑해요.
사랑해요. What's the difference between 사랑해 and 사랑해요?
So, politeness. Just add yo to anything and you'll make it polite.
You can say 사랑해 or 사랑해요.
Yo.
And it becomes polite, yo. Actually, the literal meaning will be love is a noun. Love. 해 is do. So it's an action of loving, I guess. Number 4.
Number 4. 조금. 조금.
조금, like poquito.
Yeah, like poquito. I don't know why, but it just sounds so funny to me. Just 조금.
Actually, in dictionary, it's 조금.
조금. 조금 배고파.
조금 배고파.
조금 졸려.
조금 졸려. 조금 사랑해.
아니야.
아니야. You can also shorten it. 좀.
좀? Oh, that's
좀.
new to me. I didn't know that.
좀.
좀.
좀, a regular basic consonant, but like 조금, people also say 좀. 좀.
Is that the same 좀 as in like zombie?
Yes.
Oh.
좀비.
Zombie.
좀비.
A little zombie.
A little. I think that's actually his favorite word. I think he chose 안녕하세요 and 감사합니다 trying to be practical and helpful and all, but that is actually his number 1 choice.
I think so.
What number are
5.
we? Number 5.
5.
He can't think of anything but 조금.
Okay, I have number 5 now.
Okay, number 5.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
It's a good thing to say if you're eating with like family or friends, but it's really hard to say if you don't speak Korean.
That's right. It's really long.
Really long.
잘,
잘,
which means
good.
yeah, good or well. And then 먹,
먹, which is eat.
it's the verb stem of to eat. 먹. And then
게,
get is I will. Your willingness, your intention. 습,
습니다. Oh, right. It's spelled different than it's
Yeah.
pronounced.
it's spelled 습니다. So hard to say 습니다. So it softens
씁니다.
습니다. The most polite and formal ending after any kind of verb or adjectives. So literal meaning of 잘 먹겠습니다 is I will eat well. Thank you for the food. I'll enjoy this meal. And you don't have to enunciate so crazy anyway. People will know what you're saying.
When I was first learning it, I just kind of mumbled the sounds.
Yep. 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. And his mom wanted to say this, learn this. So hopefully, mom, this helps you. 잘 먹겠습니다. So there we go. Hopefully, this helps those who want to learn Korean to greet or to have meal with other Korean people. This was Jay and
Chris.
thank you for watching. How do you say thank you?
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 안녕.
안녕.